uploaded much because I went on vacation and stuff. But might start logging in daily to get all this stuff. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Okay, I will. Cat tickets. Okay. Okay, let's do a little cat scratcher. Nice. Oh, is that a little party popper? Nighty cat food. Meow medals. I've gotten a meow medal before. What's this one? Okay. Cat guide. Well, because I can't use GACHA, I'm going to. Oh my god. I need to silence my phone. Okay, we got Ninja Cat. I don't think I have another cat. Actually, no. Let's do a couple stages. Equip. Oh, as I said, I'm going to wear cats. Which one would I want rather get? Dragon Emperor. This guy seems cool. If I get a legend rare, I don't even think they have one, but if I do, okay. 100k XP, nice. Anything in my storage? Oh, yes. I probably should have upgraded some stuff. That should be easy. Little snake, little dog versus little cat, tall little cat. Gonna get Ninja Cat out. I'm gonna get back one. Ain't there a boss this stage? Oh. That'll be useful. Trust. Decent XP. Okay. Leadership. I'll probably end up using that this video. I need to go to upgrade. What am I doing in equip? Oh my god. Upgrade. Okay. I know that guy's good. Production speed. Study. Energy. Okay. Wait a minute. I want to see if I can buy anything from the special cats. I don't want to buy him. I'll probably end up buying him, but I don't think I'll like use him though if I do buy him. But India. What is that? Is that curry? Is that a burrito? Bean burrito. we go. Should complete the stage, but... Oh yeah, my cat's like... way faster. Yeah. And that should be it. I feel like once I get done with this stage, I'm gonna try to get some other cats, you know? Yeah. Then fire off the cat cannon. I didn't even... Where was it? Okay, so... one mission. Made. Claim. Okay, well... might end this at... when I get to Madagascar. Gonna have to cut this part out. Cat claw. But yeah, I want to try this. I want to see if I can beat Cat Claw. Championship ranks 2. Wait, I have infinite speed ups. Oh, it's a bot. Will I get copyrighted from this? Oh, my dog. Dog. I haven't even seen these guys yet. Am I able to kill them? Been recording for a little while. But... oh gosh. Yeah, I can come back and do this later. I want to let me use that. Oh, stage. Crazed axe. I probably wouldn't be able to do that anyways. I can get a cat from this. I don't want to buy one. That's probably a really bad decision, but who cares? Only 10,000 health? This will be a breeze. My cats are really expensive. I don't like that. Stage is so easy. They're gonna be a boss. Why'd the music just stop? Oh, stop sending out the hippos. No. Oh gosh. They're killing my guys. Oh, Ninja Cat sucks. Kill him. Oh, never mind. Ninja Cat is great. Rare cap, adult cap. No, I'm not gonna do that. Well, let me see. I think a mission. Oh yeah, I can get some extra XP. Japan should be really easy. Oh no! A hippo! A hippo! It's gonna kill me! Ken was a bit late to the party. There is a legend rare. Super rare cap. That's a lot of XP. All for little old me. Upgrade. When did I get cow cap? Special cap. Sick. Drank a little too much, okay. Oh my gosh. Stop it. Ooh. Trying to catch food. One rare ticket. Okay, well, I don't really mind selling him. I'm not gonna upgrade my cat cannon power because it increases the recharge time. Oh yeah, let me get some of this up in here. I was trying to max all these out besides the specific one. Nope, got everything done, so. Nepal. I forgot to equip my cat. I think Brave Cat early game does good damage, but let's see. Yeah. That's about to have to get cut out. bird cat. I'm going to stall on, so don't worry. Aren't there the penguins in Dubai? Not in real life, but like in game. Saudi Arabia, I think. I need to equip my new guys. Encyclopedia has been unlocked. I don't think I really need encyclopedia. Man. Complete Madagascar. Well, kind of want to complete Madagascar before I get off, but I don't know how far away it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So Kenya is after this one. I need to equip my new units for Madagascar. I keep forgetting to. I've like fully completed all the stages in this game on my Switch. It makes me real mad that they won't update the Switch one. Madagascar. I think it said it should be a hard stage because it gives me stuff for beating it. Is that a baobab tree? I'd not equip my stuff. Gonna get rid of ninja and just have normal cats for this stage. Did I have my yeah, display? I don't think I like it like that. Wait, I need to do that. 2 ways. Yep. Let's go with Macho Cat. Macho. Giraffe. I should have gotten a defense before I gotten giraffe. There you go. Love you. What? They sent the first one out, not as a boss, but they sent the second one out as a boss. The UFO cat is cracked. Normal. Aye. New cat already? Is it fish? Oh yeah. You know what that means, right? I get to use the plus level I've been saving. Always wait to use your plus levels on the normal cat if you don't have the normal cat. Oh, I got a main challenge maybe. Oh yeah, we're being Madagascar. I think I'm going to try the stages in Cat Claw Dojo. Now that I have whale. So it shouldn't be too bad now. And I think it gives real good stuff. Oh, some Bob. I can't say look for that. I want whale. The whale should kill everything red, and most of the stuff is red. So whale is real good at its job. It's just good all around, honestly. Yep. See, when you do no gacha, you have to like use a couple specific special units, because some are real bad. Because you don't have a lot of attacking power. A fixed loadout. Well, if it's a fixed loadout, should be just fine. Oh. I mean, shouldn't be too bad. Gotta get an upgrade. An upgrade. Probably gonna try to. Oh my god. Gonna get this guy out. I have a brisk idea. And I think Titan Cat is good against bear. Okay, just because I know he has a lot of knockbacks, and you need good damage. Not. No, I meant to send out Titan Cat. Oh, why is Dragon Cat like real tanky? Will I get that guy up there? Titan Cat is barely doing any damage. Let's go with rank up test 3. Oh god. Oh gosh, I need Whale out right now. Whew. Close one. I don't know what I'll get. Maybe I can get some cat tickets, and if I do. Oh no. Not a Reno. Oh gosh. Well, if I die on this stage, I think that's gonna be it for this video. Come on. Don't do it. Come on. No! No!